The Shim Calculator function can be useful if you don't have enough shims to reach values indicated by the program. This function allows you to evaluate the result within the specified tolerances based on the available shim configurations. In the results window, tap the calculator icon. Fields for entering values will appear above the movable unit. Specify in these fields the values which you intend to raise or lower the unit. The program will automatically recalculate the result shown on the left side of the screen, taking into account the corrections made. Corrections made in the calculator will not affect the report or further results. The footlock function allows you to select which pair of feet will be stationary during alignment process. In the dimension input window, tap the Feet Lock icon. Tap the yellow locks to choose which pair of feet will move. Tap the black locks to lock the leg pairs, indicating they are stationary. For the program to work, it is necessary that a minimum of one pair of feet is adjustable. Footlock is applicable in cases where there are obstacles or bolt-bound conditions. For example, if you do not have the ability to put the machine lower, while the screen indicates that it is necessary to change the position of the machine's pair of feet by moving them down. In this case, if possible, change the position of another pair of feet. You can choose which of the pair of feet will be fixed and which you can move.